Welcome everyone to another lesson from Latoya's Online Academy. Today we'll be looking at place value and the value of a digit in a number. Let's begin. A digit is any number between 0 to 9. So 0 is a digit, 1 is a digit, 2 is a digit, 3 is a digit, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are all digits. The largest digit that can be in any place is 9, and the smallest is 0. A digit's value is affected by its place in a number, and we will see this as we continue on. The place is where a digit sits in a number. The value is how much the digit is worth. Let's try singing the place value song to the Pop Goes the Weasel tune. Here goes. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. That is place value. This is our place value chart, and this number is read as 6,522,198. It's very important to note that when a question asks you to find the place value, you write the words. So for example, the place value of this 7 is thousands. How do I know that? Because it's in the thousands place, and for some of us who are unable to recognize that, we can label the top of our numbers. So ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now, it's important to note when a question asks you to find the value of a digit that they are asking you to write the number. So what's the value of the underlying digit? The value of this 7 is 7,000, so we write the digit. What is the place value of the underlined digit? Now, what number is this? This number is 436,251. For those of us who are unable to read that, let's label the top of every digit. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is tens of thousands. I'm writing 2 T's and an H. And this is 100,000s. So, what is the place value of the 5? The place value of the 5 is tens. What is the value of the underlined digit? What number is this? This number is 436,251. This question is not asking us for the place value, but rather the value of the underlying digit. The value of this underlying digit is 50. 5 tens. It's under the tens column. For those of us who can't recognize it, let's label it again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, 100,000s. So the value of this 5 is 5 tens, because this 5 is under the tens column. 5 tens is 50. So the value of the underlying digit in this number is 50. What is the place value of the underlying digit? Let's read this number. This number is 469,203. For those of us who are unable to tell the value of the underlying digit by simply looking at it, I recommend that you label the top of your numbers. It's going to make it much easier for you. So as we can see here, the value of this underlying digit, the place value rather of this underlying digit is thousands. Why? Because this digit is in the thousands place. What is the value of the underlying digit? The value of the underlying digit is, remember when they ask us for value, we have to write the number. The value of the underlying digit is 9,000. What is the place value of the underlying digit? Let's read this number. This number is 2,928,145. For those of us who are unable to recognize the place, I recommend that you label the top. So this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, 10,000, and then 100,000s, and then millions. So what is the place value for this underlying digit? The place value is 10,000s. What is the value of the underlying digit? Now it's asking a next question, not place value but value. So we have to give the number. Alright, so it's in the 10,000s column. So it's 2 10,000s, which is going to give us 20,000. This is the value of the underlying digit in this number. What is the place value of the underlying digit in this number? Let's read the number. This number is 3,420,213. The underlying digit is in what place? It's in the 100,000s place. Again, if we are unable to recognize it, I recommend you label the top of your numbers. So the place value of the underlying digit is 100,000s. What is the value of the underlying digit? This number is 3,420,213. The value of this underlying digit is 400,000 because this 4 is in the 100,000s column. So 400,000 is our value. What is the value of the underlying digit? Let's read this number. This number is 5,420,213. The value of this underlying digit is 5 million. When we are asked to find the value, we have to write a number. So 5 million. This is how we write 5 million. There are 6 zeros in millions. What is the place value of the underlying digit? This number is 5,420,213. The place value of this underlying digit is millions because it's in the millions place. So when they ask us for place value, we have to write the word. So we are writing millions because it's in the millions place. What is the place value of the underlying digit? Let's read this number. This number is 9,213. The place value of this digit is ones because the underlying digit is in the ones place. What is the value of the underlying digit? Let's read this number. This number is 9,213. The value of this 3 is 3 ones, which is 3. The value of this 3 is 3. Remember, when they're asking you to find the value, you have to write the number. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more simple lessons.